Hello, good morning. All are welcome for my industrial safety and awareness class. You may be knowing me. I am Sadashivan, a safety trainer. Last so many days I used to come here and giving so many type of videos. First, I have given you 10 videos on general safety awareness. Then I have given you 20 videos on basic fire safety awareness. Then I have given you 20 videos on electrical safety awareness. Now we come to the industrial safety and I have already given 5 videos. So today we are going to learn a new subject. So last class what I have discussed is what is OHSA, OSHA and OHSAS 18001 system. This difference I have mentioned in last class. Today what we are going to learn means how this OHSAS or 18001 is implemented in the industry. It is a safety standard system. So before going to the subject, I just have a request with you. If you like this class, please share it and subscribe it. Also, it is a safety oriented program. It is a continuous education system. I used to give you most of the alternate days, that is Monday, Tuesday and Friday. So today my class is on OHSAS 18001 system, how it can be implemented in industry. So last class I have mentioned you that OHSAS 18001 is a safety standard for the industry. What does it mean? If any industry got such certification system, then this indicates that in that particular industry a safety standard is following and a safety system is there, and that has been internationally accepted. Many countries and many industries also adopted this system. Basically the system has started in 1999 by UK authorities, and again it has spread to all over the world, and many countries and many industries already adopted this system and got the certification also. Now what today we are learning is how one industry can get certified this system and what are the advantages of getting a certification for this particular system. This particular system is a safety standard. As I told you earlier, if this system certification, if you got that industry is having there is a safety implemented in that particular organization. There is accidents are very limited and injuries are also really limited, and health of the workers and health of the employees are maintained. All these things are coming into this category. So for implementation of this system, some guidelines are given. What is this guidelines means? So first, some policy must be there. OHSAS policy, health and safety policy of any organization. This policy should be given from the top management level only. Then once this policy has developed, then there must be planning. What is the indications of a planning means? There are so many, how it is going to be implemented. What are the responsibilities of say from each and every people, including from top level to bottom level. Each responsibility has to be mentioned, and the procedure has to be mentioned, how we are going to be implemented, and also the process and also the resources. All this planning must be done in the second stage. So first policy, second policy is from the top management level, it should be committed, and the second one is a planning. Planning is the responsibility also from the top management level. That responsibility must be given to the every people, and also the procedure, process and resources should be indicated in this category. Next one is the third is implementation. Whatever the things we have planned and other thing, the system should be implemented in every organization step by step. For the implementation process, first one is education and training to all employees. They must be knowing the process of ISO 18000, not ISO, this OHSAS 18001 system and the process and other thing. So that is coming to the implementation category. Once this has been implemented, then what we have to do is we have to achieve the result. Whether how many previously, how many incidents are there, or how it can be improved in our organization, that achievement should be there. Then that checking must also be done, checking and review whether previously how was the condition, and after implementation of this system how the safety system standards are going, and a corrective action and preventive action both are there. What is the difference between a corrective action means, suppose any object or something we get fault is there, we have find out that fault, the immediate step we have to take on accidents or something has happened there, the immediate step we are taking, that type of action is known as a corrective action. Then there is another action is called preventive action. What is the difference? Preventive action means the thing supposed to be should not happen. Before that itself we have taken the step. As an example, suppose one road we want to dig it there, maybe some cabling or some piping and other thing. So before doing this road digging, what we are doing then, we are just diverting, providing there, and a board we are keeping there, and so that people, all the vehicles can be get diverted from there. This is the first principle for preventive action, preventive type of thing, digging. As far as possible, if we can't avoid it, that also we can do it, such an underway and other thing. But suppose we are not providing even board and other things, somebody got an accident there, then we are providing a board, and such type of action is called corrective action. One of the problems is taking, and immediately we are taking the step to prevent, in order to not avoid reoccurring such type of incidents or problem is known as a corrective action. But preventive action means the first step itself we have taken that such things should not be happen, that we are forecasting that thing, this can be happen, so we have taken the preventive action. So this is the difference. So that should be corrective and preventive action taken. Then management review must be there. In the review, whether the system has an improvement is there. That when we are talking about the improvement also, there are two type of improvement possibilities. One is called continuous improvement and another is called continual improvement. Normally the people are believing in the continuous improvement and they are asking for that there, but that is not a possible thing. Most of the thing. For as an example, one student, he is getting a 50% mark in one maths. Next time we ask them that you get 60%. Next exam, and next time 70%, or like 80%. Like this type of mark system when we are taking, the people may not be getting exactly 10% increment in every time. So at that time some people the 60 is getting, next time maybe 70. Similarly the selling also, we are asking them to this year 50, next you increase 10. It exactly same way it may not go. But what we have, that type of improvement which are expecting is called continued type of improvement. Whereas continual means you have planning one step and that should be remaining for a longer time, for some 2 or 3 months. Then you go for the next step. Some type of they will step by step or digital type of system. That is a continual improvement. This OHSAS 18001 standards is implementing or focusing for us a continual improvement of any system. So then this management review, again that policy has to be checked out. This is the policy implementation. So in order to implement this OHSAS 18001 system, I am just reviewing. Policy must be there, planning must be there, implementation must be required, then achieving the result and checking and review, then corrective action, preventive action, then management review, and again the feedback. These are the steps is there. In addition to nowadays, this OHSAS 18000 system is going to be eliminated, or it is discarded from the general system. Now it is, instead of that thing, ISO 45001 is coming. ISO system is international standard for organization. It is similar to that one, but slight verification is there, slight modification is there, almost exact of that thing. That has been coming in many industries also. That also I have just given an introduction to only. ISO, there are 3 type of system mainly adopted in industry. ISO quality system is there 9001, ISO 14001 is for this environment system, and also ISO 45001 is for this safety system. Now it has come to there instead of this OHSAS 18001. But till now this ISO is coming, this will be in a standard system. I hope that you got some idea about this OHSAS 18001 safety standard system which is required to be implemented in industry. Okay, if you like this class, please share it and subscribe it, and I hope all of you understood the system. Wishing you all of you a good day. Good day means happy, healthy and safe day. Thank you to everybody. Okay, bye.